Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden art crafts design ideas for aesthetic charm. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wood, in its raw and refined forms, holds a special place in the world of home decor and functional artistry. It is more than just a material, it is a living story of growth, time, and transformation. The warm tones, rich textures, and versatile finishes of wood have long been used to shape the character of homes. Beyond its obvious aesthetic charm, wood offers immense value as a medium for income generation, especially for those who see the creative and entrepreneurial opportunities it holds. In today's decor-conscious world, where consumers seek pieces that blend utility with beauty, wooden creations stand tall, not only as a decor choice but as a foundation for sustainable and profitable craftsmanship. Wood adds aesthetic richness to a space in a way few other materials can. It breathes life into a room. From rustic to contemporary interiors, wood easily adapts, offering everything from deep, earthy charm to sleek, modern minimalism. A reclaimed barnwood coffee table brings with it the texture of time and history. A finely crafted wooden shelf exudes purpose and elegance. Wall panels, carved frames, handmade candle holders, and furniture made from wood don't just fill a space. They anchor it with a sense of grounding and calm. This emotional connection is key to why wood is such a valued material in home decor. It's natural, enduring, and universally appreciated. As people seek to create warm, inviting, and meaningful spaces, wooden elements offer not only beauty, but also a sense of authenticity. Unlike synthetic materials, wood changes over time. It ages. It gains character. It reacts to touch, air, and light. These qualities make wooden decor not just objects to be admired, but companions to daily living. A wooden dining table becomes a silent witness to family meals and celebrations. A carved mantelpiece becomes a focal point that tells the story of the home. This intrinsic warmth and emotional durability of wood create an environment of comfort, storytelling, and connection. From a maker's perspective, the qualities that make wood beautiful are also what make it profitable. There is a rising demand for handcrafted, high-quality wooden pieces that blend form and function. This demand creates a significant opportunity for those willing to engage in woodworking as more than just a hobby. Whether you're crafting modern plant stands, intricate jewelry boxes, cutting boards, or custom furniture, each piece has the potential to meet a buyer's need for both utility and beauty. Starting a woodworking venture doesn't always require large machinery or an extensive workshop. Even small spaces and simple tools can give birth to compelling, sellable items. What matters most is the intention behind each piece. Customers are drawn to items that feel thoughtful, designed with care, and made to last. A smooth, oil-finished wooden tray can be more than a serving piece. It can be a centerpiece. A well-balanced wooden lamp base can elevate the mood of a room. When crafted with attention to detail and finished properly, these items appeal to those looking for quality over quantity, those who are willing to invest in items that will stand the test of time. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. E-commerce platforms and local markets have made it easier than ever to bring these pieces to a wide audience. Websites like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or even Instagram give creators a direct line to customers who appreciate the handmade and the unique. With the right branding and story, even a small product line of wooden decor can attract a loyal following. People love to buy items that reflect a sense of personal taste and lifestyle. And when they find a wooden piece that fits their aesthetic, be it minimal, rustic, vintage, or modern, they're often willing to pay a premium, especially if it's clear that the product is not mass-produced. Another strength of working with wood is its adaptability. As a material, it allows for an incredible range of expression. It can be cut, carved, painted, burned, dyed, or left raw to showcase its natural grain. Each approach adds a different layer of appeal to the finished product. A smooth walnut bowl speaks of elegance. A reclaimed wood wall clock speaks of sustainability and rustic charm. These nuances help you tailor your craft to different market segments and styles, allowing you to pivot and grow your business based on demand and creative direction. Moreover, wood is a deeply sustainable resource when sourced responsibly. With the growing focus on eco-friendly living, wooden products made from reclaimed or sustainably harvested wood resonate deeply with conscious consumers. Using offcuts, fallen trees, or recycled furniture parts not only reduces waste but also adds depth to your work. Imagine being able to tell a customer that their new coffee table was made from old-school benches or salvaged beams. It adds not just value but meaning. This alignment with sustainability enhances the appeal of your craft and builds trust with buyers who care about the environmental impact of their choices. Woodworking also allows for an incredible amount of personalization, which adds significantly to its commercial value. Custom engravings, monograms, or unique sizing options turn a simple item into a treasured gift or heirloom. Personalized items, whether they are wedding gifts, anniversary pieces, or custom-built storage solutions, create a strong emotional link between the object and the buyer. This personalization increases not only the perceived value, but also the likelihood of customer satisfaction and return business. For those who engage in woodworking, the rewards go beyond financial profit. There is deep artistic and emotional satisfaction in working with your hands, transforming raw material into something beautiful and lasting. The act of shaping wood, of sanding, joining, finishing, these are processes that demand focus and cultivate patience. It becomes a meditative rhythm, a balance between force and finesse. That process of creation is fulfilling in ways few other pursuits are. And when your work becomes part of someone's home, it's not just a sale, it's a connection. In a time where fast furniture and disposable decor have flooded the market, there is a growing appreciation for items with soul. People want homes that reflect their values and identities. Wooden decor, authentic, grounded, and timeless, fits this desire perfectly. And for the woodworker, this is an open invitation to contribute to that vision, to shape beauty from trees, and to create pieces that serve not just a function but also a feeling. The addition of wood to home decor is about more than its aesthetic value. It's about the atmosphere it creates, the stories it holds, and the opportunity it offers to makers and homeowners alike. For the craftsman, every grain is a chance to express, to earn, and to inspire. In the delicate balance between form, function, and feeling, wooden decor stands as a meaningful art, one that continues to enrich homes and lives across the world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden art crafts design ideas for aesthetic charm. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.